Yo, what's up everybody? Back to school season is here, and you know what that means? Those school supply lists are about to hit your mailbox and your wallet hard. But don't worry, we're about to turn that stress into straight-up savings with some eco-friendly and budget-savvy alternatives. We're talking about saving money, people. Who doesn't love that? But it's not just about keeping those dollars in your pocket, it's about teaching your kids to be environmentally conscious too. In this video, we'll explore how thoughtful choices can teach valuable lessons in financial responsibility and environmental preservation. We're going to dive deep into practical tips, DIY hacks, and maybe even a few challenges along the way. You won't want to miss this. All right, first things first, we got to talk about the B-word budget. Before you even think about hitting the stores, sit down with your kids and set a realistic budget for school supplies. This is a huge opportunity to teach them about financial responsibility. Let them be involved in the process. Make it fun. Turn it into a game. Give them a whiteboard or a big piece of paper, some colorful markers, and let them write down everything they think they need. Then, go through each item together and discuss if it's a need or a want. Now, here's where the real learning happens. Talk about how much money you have to spend and how to prioritize the needs. If they really want something that's not in the budget, brainstorm ways they can earn extra money, maybe chores around the house or a lemonade stand. This teaches them valuable lessons about working towards their goals. Okay, before you even think about buying new supplies, let's raid the depths of those backpacks and closets. You know what I'm talking about. Those half-used notebooks, forgotten folders, and barely touched packs of paper. It's time to bring them back to life. One of the easiest ways to save money and the planet is by reusing what you already have. Got a notebook with only a few pages used? No problem. Tear out the used pages, give it a fresh cover, and boom, good as new. Got a bunch of broken crayons? Don't throw them away. Melt them down into fun shapes or use them for art projects. There are tons of DIY videos out there to give those old crayons a new life. And don't even get me started on binders. Those things are practically indestructible. Just swap out the old inserts, slap on a cool new cover, and they're ready for another year of learning. Remember, reusing isn't just about saving money and the environment. It's about teaching our kids the value of resourcefulness and creativity. Alright, thrifting isn't just for finding vintage clothes anymore. It's time to hit up those secondhand stores and discover a goldmine of school supplies at a fraction of the cost. Think about it. People donate gently used backpacks, barely touched art supplies, and even textbooks at thrift stores. You can find some serious gems if you know where to look. Plus, it's like a treasure hunt. Take your kids with you and make it an adventure. They'll love the thrill of finding unique and affordable supplies. Who knows, you might even find something truly one of a kind. Another great option is checking online marketplaces or local buy-nothing groups. You can often find people giving away school supplies for free. Free stuff is always a win in my book. Remember, buying secondhand isn't just about saving money. It's about giving those supplies a second life and keeping them out of landfills. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Chapter 4, The Family Brainstorm. This chapter is all about teamwork. Instead of just handing your kids a pre-packed backpack, get them involved in the process. Let them help choose their supplies, even if it's just picking out the color of their notebook or the design on their pencil case. When kids have a say in what they use, they're more likely to be excited about learning. Plus, it's a great opportunity to talk about their interests and how they can express themselves through their school supplies. Maybe your child loves dinosaurs. Instead of buying a generic dinosaur folder, why not have them decorate a plain folder with dinosaur stickers or drawings? It's a fun and creative way to personalize their belongings and make them feel more connected to their learning tools. Remember, involving your kids in the process isn't just about making them happy. It's about fostering their creativity, independence, and sense of ownership. Chapter 5. Pimp My School Supplies. Alright, let's be real. Sometimes those eco-friendly and budget-friendly options can look a little, shall we say, blah. But don't worry, we're about to turn those boring supplies into works of art with some easy and affordable DIY magic. Got a plain brown paper bag for lunch? Let's transform it into a personalized masterpiece. Grab some markers, paints, or even old magazines and let your creativity run wild. They can doodle, paint their favorite characters, or even create a collage. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget about those boring old pencils. Wrap them in colorful washi tape, add some googly eyes, or even turn them into mini characters with a little paint. Who needs fancy and expensive novelty pencils when you can create your own unique masterpieces? Remember, personalizing old items isn't just about aesthetics. It's about giving them a new lease on life and sparking creativity. Chapter 6. Technology to the rescue. Okay, let's be real. We live in a digital age, and technology can be a game changer when it comes to reducing waste in the classroom. No more lost papers, no more bulky textbooks. It's time to embrace the power of the digital world. Many schools are already using online platforms for assignments, quizzes, and even textbooks. Encourage your kids to use these resources. They can take notes directly on their devices, eliminating the need for tons of paper notebooks. Plus, there are tons of educational apps and websites that can make learning more interactive and engaging. From language learning apps to math games, there's something for everyone. And the best part? Many of these resources are free. Of course, it's important to find a balance. We don't want our kids glued to screens all day, but by incorporating technology thoughtfully, we can reduce waste and make learning more efficient and fun. Chapter 7. Building a brighter future, together. We've covered a lot of ground today, from setting budgets and reusing materials to embracing technology and getting creative with DIY projects. But the most important takeaway is this: every small step we take towards sustainability adds up to a big impact. By making conscious choices about the school supplies we buy and how we use them, we're not just saving money and the planet, we're teaching our kids valuable lessons about responsibility, resourcefulness, and the importance of giving back. Imagine a world where every student is equipped with the knowledge and tools to make eco-friendly choices. Imagine classrooms filled with repurposed and personalized supplies, buzzing with creativity and innovation. That's the future we can create together. So let's make this back-to-school season the most sustainable one yet. Let's show our kids that learning and protecting our planet go hand in hand. Outrow joined the eco-friendly back-to-school revolution. And there you have it, folks. Who knew that back-to-school shopping could be so much fun and good for the planet? I hope this video has inspired you to make some eco-friendly and budget-savvy choices this year. Don't forget to like and share the video. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite tips were and how you plan to make this back-to-school season the most sustainable one yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.